For many customers, coming to the factory for an on-site inspection can give them more peace of mind, and from the perspective of Gospel Boat, we also very much welcome customers to come to our factory for inspection. As a matter of fact, every year we have many customers from different countries who come to our city and our factory from far away to witness our production strength and to fully experience our hospitality, knowing that Gospel Boat is never a one-time business. Usually we will take our customers to visit the whole factory, from raw materials to production, welding to outfitting. In the welding shop, we will have very many boats under construction at the same time, all sticking to the hand welding manufacturing method. And our welders are also CCS certified senior welders. The professional welding technology can definitely make you feel relieved to use the boats. In the part of raw material workshop, we have professional laser cutting equipments, professional bending and cutting equipments. At the same time, all the raw materials we use are 5083H116 aluminum plates. Such high-quality raw materials are the basis to guarantee the quality of our products. In the outfitting workshop, which is the final stage of our production, the welded and painted hull is fully assembled, including the installation of the electrical circuits on board, the installation of the relevant electronic equipment, the installation of the felt and EVT flooring, the installation of the seats, the installation of the various types of upholstery, as well as the cleaning of the hull. Many times, customers will want to communicate with our engineers. After communicating with sales in advance, you can make an appointment for engineers. And in the process of visiting the factory, you can communicate with our engineers face-to-face, answering questions in dealing with related issues on the spot. As a professional company, Gospel Boat integrates manufacturing, processing, and sales, and our customers are all over the world. Similarly, we have entertained customers from all over the world to come to China and be able to trust us and generate cooperation after visiting our factory. We still welcome more people to come to our factory and see for themselves.